Bonjour, c'est Claire, French in the Midlands. Today's video is about another mistake that students make quite a lot, and it's confuse encore and toujours. There are some meanings that overlap, but a lot of them don't, as I'm going to show you, so have a look. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. When it comes to encore, I've already made a video on all the different meanings of encore with examples, and I'll put the link right on the top right hand corner here. I've just got to quickly remind you what those meanings are. Again, another, more, any more, some more, yet, and still. So encore, as you can see, is a very versatile word, and I encourage you to view the other video just so you know exactly when to use it. It's really important. Now, toujours only means two things. It can mean still, and as you can remember, still is one of the meanings of encore, and this is where the confusion arises. For instance, il est toujours là? Je croyais qu'il était pressé de partir. Il est toujours là? Je croyais qu'il était pressé de partir. Is he still here? Or he's still here? I thought he was in a rush to leave. And of course, toujours means always. Elle travaille toujours tard le soir. Elle travaille toujours tard le soir. She always works late in the evenings. Now you know that still can be encore and toujours. I'll show you when it becomes a little bit clearer, and that's in the negative. Pas encore versus toujours pas. Pas encore means not yet. For instance, ils ne sont pas encore arrivés, or ils ne sont pas encore arrivés. You can link if you like. They aren't here yet. Literally, they've not arrived yet. When it comes to toujours pas, it's still not. So although the meaning is kind of the same, there's a nuance here. Ils ne sont toujours pas là, or ils ne sont toujours pas arrivés. They're still not here, as opposed to they're not here yet. So you can see how the second one means you've been waiting for a while the first one, pas encore, is just a fact, well, they're not here yet. Where you have to be mega careful is when you use pas toujours, because pas toujours means not always, whereas toujours pas is still not. Be very, very careful where you put toujours in your sentence. Now let's do a few exercises so you understand a bit better. Je n'ai still not fini mon rapport. So I've not finished my report yet is what you want to say. What would you put for not yet or still not? You could interchange it, but here I really want you to use still not. It's toujours pas. Je n'ai toujours pas fini mon rapport. If you say je n'ai pas encore fini mon rapport, it's fine, but toujours pas means I've been working on this and I really should have finished it before. Second example, he's always been a bit difficult. Here there's only one word that can mean always. Do you remember which one it is? Toujours. Il a toujours été un peu difficile. Example number 3. We've not finished our homework yet. Or we haven't finished our homework yet. So the not yet is what you want in there. And it's pas encore or pas encore. On n'a pas encore fini nos devoirs. Now again, you could have said, on n'a toujours pas fini nos devoirs. That's if you want to convey the idea that you should have finished them before. Final example. Do you want another beer? Remember the word we use for another? It's encore. Tu veux encore une bière? And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.